What you are seeing on the wall right here could be the beginning of a big information war. But let's first fact check it. Fact check. Did Norbert withdraw and endorse Anita on the 27th February? The viral claim on TikTok at Hosea. A TikTok post by Hosea claims the following. Description says, today Honorable Minister Norbert has finally withdrawn his candidacy for speakership, and he later endorsed Right Honorable Anita On top of the post, Honorable Minister Norbert today withdrew his candidacy for speakership between 7th February. Inside the post, breaking news from Acholi region, Honorable Minister Norbert has finally endorsed Right Honorable AAA for the 12th speakership. What actually happened? These claims are false. The meeting in question was not about withdrawing from the speakership race or endorsing Anita It was for Acholi investment profile. It was described as an unpopular event that happened during the graduation of Museveni's technical pupils in Gulu City. There is no verified statement from confirming withdrawal or endorsement on 27th of February. Looking at another fact-checked screenshot of Muhoozi saying he will never support The viral screenshot claims Muhoozi said, I want to make it clear that I will never support Norbert in any political capacity. My position is firm, deliberate, and rooted in principle, and it will not change now or in the future. The real post actually says that Bobby spent 5 months going around the whole country abusing my human rights. He called me every name and the son, but one don't see anyone in the EU Parliament or anywhere else condemning him. Original timestamp is Muhoozi at 4:29 a.m. on the 23rd of February 2026. The verdict, the viral screenshot text is edited. The original post does not contain the never support Norbert statement. Another fact-checked screenshot of Odonga. The viral screenshot says, I have seen Muhoozi take a stand against Mao, and I share that position. I will also urge the MPs who respect and support me not to cast their vote for him, because I do not believe he deserves it. Real post says, I have come to realize that the most disciplined and still existing institution in Uganda is the Modva UPDF to the concept of military democracy. One has been pushed aside by many scholars. It needs a close study. Original timestamp Odonga at 8:57 a.m. on the 18th of February 2026. Verdict, this is not true, it is fake. Another fact-check screenshot of Mao resigning due to pressure. The viral screenshot claims Mao said, I informed the public that due to overwhelming pressure, I have decided to resign from this race. These circumstances have made it difficult to continue. Anita has proven herself a formidable force in this contest. The real post says, the war to cleanse the synagogue is going to last at least 2 years. How can corrupt and hypocritical masqueraders turn politics into a bastion for blackmail, slander, and hate mongering? The merchants of hate will decide when this will end. Original timestamp Mao penned 5:38 p.m. on the 20th of February 2022. Verdict, the resignation statement is fabricated. It was edited onto an old post unrelated to the speakership race. bottom line, fact check, fake, screenshot of all posts were edited. The TikTok withdrawal claim and multiple translated screenshots were manipulated or edited to create a false political narrative. There is no verified withdrawal by Norbert on the 27th of February, and the virus screenshot either misrepresent or alter original post. Is someone really this desperate